Event type is air quality. For Lakes District, elevated pollution levels are expected or occurring. ###. For more information on current air quality, visit www.gov.content/environment/air/land-water/air. Visit www.airhealth.ca for information on how to reduce your health risk and your personal contribution to pollution levels, as well as for current and forecast key values. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. Messages from Environment Canada, the BC Ministry of Environment, at 11:57 am, October 30th, 2021, effective until 3:57 am, October 31st, 2021.
Thanks for listening to WDFA The Blizzard. We are currently conducting an automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol, and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.